Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So this video is again in continuation with the already ongoing series. So today we are going to work on another problem of subdomain big number. So today we are going to solve Java primarily. Sorry for the fumble. So we are going to solve Java primality test today. So before we do that, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And let's see what we have here. So I hope everyone knows about prime numbers. So prime number is a number greater than 1 and it should be divisible by only two numbers, itself and 1. So those are the numbers that we call as prime. So here we all have written programs to find out if the number is prime or not. But here we are going to use one method provided to us by a big integer class. So this method is a little bit weird one because here it comes with probability, or you can say certainty. So to do that we have to provide a number here, and that number is going to decide for the certainty. So here you can see that if the call returns true, the probability that this number is prime exceeds 1 to 1 to half certainty, right? So here we are going to use number 1 because we want a good certainty, good measure. So that's why we are going to use 1 here as certainty. So let's see what we have. So we are getting the number in string, and the constructor of big integer, there are many constructors, but let me show you the constructors first, because it takes string as a value, so we don't have to parse it to anything, we can directly use it. So let's do the code now. So we have the number, we just have to create a big integer object. Just do bi equals to new, right? We have the number now. What we need to do is now we just have to print if the number is prime or not. They haven't told us we have to print here. So here you can see like if the number is prime, then we have to print prime, otherwise we have to print not prime. Sorry, I missed that part. So now what we have to do is we just have to use if else condition here, right? So if bi dot, now which method do we have to use? It's is probable prime. So we will use this method with certainty 1, right? So in case if it is prime, then we have to print prime. So it's a pretty easy problem. I don't think there is much to understand. So here if you see, the difficulty level is also easy. So yeah, that's the entire code that we have to write. So let's run this now. So it's working. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so it worked fine, and this is it for this video. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, have a good day, stay safe, and bye bye.